So when you make the man them do them work, too much crime, I take over. Yeah, some people are going like say, and them are the lie, you know. See the liar, and they must take it by truth. Take on by truth. High and low place. God upon the throne, and if God upon the throne, this need to clean up, and the children them need to walk with pride and dignity, and them can't do it because we have some predator. I get to them and stop them in them track before time. These are the law of the earth, and if the law can't carry out the work in peace without interruption, somebody got to go. Someone got to go.
Where is it to them now?
Do your work with respect, pride.